God bless you. Predestined seed. We are Cueva.com. This is the bread of life today. Ezekiel 6:10. And they shall know that I am the Lord, and that I have not said in vain that I would do this evil unto them. Listen now, the voice of God's prophet for this day.
So you see, the Protestant church that don't take the word of God is a daughter to the Roman church. God never at any time organized the church. The Roman Catholic Church was the first organization, and every one of them are daughters to her that organized it. Die with her. The Bible said that he would burn her children with fire. How many knows that? The Bible said so. Well, the Bible said that the wheat and the tares would grow together until the last day. Then he would bind the tares. Is that right? First. And burn them. And the wheat would go to the garner. Is that right? The terriers are binding themselves together in organization, Confederation of Churches, for the atomic burning. Exactly right. But the church is getting ready to go to the garner just as sure as the world in the rapture. For the free woman won't be heir with the bondwoman. Amen.
Shalom. If this video was a blessing for your life, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God keep you, dear brother and sister.
Quiero amarte, Señor, y sentir la paz excelsa de tu amor. Quiero